how to unhide comments on Instagram. To get started, first of all, open up the Instagram application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Instagram homepage. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now open a post from your feed below. Tap on the comment icon to see the comments on this post. Then, tap on the three dots as shown. Here, tap on Hide More Comments under the For All Posts section. On this page, disable the Hide Comments option in the Unwanted Comments and Message Request section. With this option, comments that are potentially offensive, misleading, or spam will be moved to a separate section. Now that you've disabled it, everyone can see these comments. If you want to hide the comments, go to this page and enable the Hide Comments option. Now, go back to your profile and refresh the page. You can now see all the comments under your posts. Following these steps, you can easily unhide comments on Instagram.